Today we are going to discuss what are the problems in assigning 0 to missing values. Here I have a sample data set which I am calling test, and this has two variables id and amount. And this data set will have 6 observations, and then if you look into third observation and the sixth observation, amount has missing values. Now I'm taking this data set, and in the next step what I'm doing is I'm saying if amount is equal to missing, then amount equal to 0. Basically I am replacing these missing values with 0 and creating another data set which I am calling test1. Now let us quickly run our data steps and then see our data. In here I have my two data sets. The first data set is a test data set wherein the amount has two missing values, and another data set is test1 where it has no missing values. Now let us quickly go back and discuss more about this. Now what I want to really do is I want to take average of this amount from the test data set and test1 data set, and I would like to do this with the help of an aggregate function, and this aggregate function is avg function, and this is shown as follows: avg, and on the variable on which I am interested, this is how I can apply avg function. Now here what I have done is I have written proc=equal select average amount as avg underscore amount from test, and also I have title for that saying that average total with missing values. And exactly similar code I have in the next proc=equal step also, but only thing changing herein is dataset name, that is test1, and the title also says average total with missing values replaced by 0. Now let me quickly run both of these proc=equal steps and see our result. If you see in our result, average total with the missing value, the average underscore amount is 16.25, whereas average total with missing values replaced by 0 is 10.833. So here clearly what you can see is our results have changed. Now let us go a little bit in deep. Before that, let us try to understand what is average. Average is nothing more than taking all the observations and then adding them up and then dividing by number of observations. Now when we say select average amount from test, what is really happening is whenever we use these kind of functions, they ignore missing values. Once you ignore the missing values, what you are really doing is you are adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 values and then dividing them by 4, which means you are adding 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 15, 40, and 40 plus 25 is 65, and then you are dividing by 4, and this is going to give us the result of 16.25. But when you are replacing these missing values with zeros, nothing gets ignored. Now what happening in here is you are adding 10 plus 15 plus 0, that is 25 plus 0 is 25, 25 plus 15 is 40, 40 plus 25, 65, plus 0 is 65 itself. Now instead of dividing by 4, when you have replaced this missing value with 0, you are dividing it by 6, which gives you the result as shown in here, that is 10.833. So when we have changed the missing value to 0, what basically we have done is we have added all of this along with zeros and we have divided it with much bigger number, so our average has gone small. So whenever we replace missing values with zeros, the averages will become much smaller and less accurate, because this is not exactly representing the exact average, because you don't know what missing value is, because most of the time missing value means an unknown value, and an unknown value could be there for many reasons, and if we don't know, we should never be making it into 0. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.